boots. I hope you can hear me. I heard that last time my friends could not hear me. I think because it's because of the mask. I just want to share a decathlon haul because hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm headed to mountains. Okay, and it's Saturday. It's 5:45 p.m. and I shouldn't wear black, but I got these t-shirts from Shoppers Stop. There's a Shoppers Stop close by where I live. So yeah, I just thought that I will share some of the stuff with you that I got from Decathlon. They have major sales going on right now. So if you want to buy stuff for the trekking, hiking, any sporting goods, you can go and check in Decathlon. And the Decathlon quality, of course, is very good. All my trekking gear I've got from Decathlon. So first time when I went to Decathlon Chennai, I spent like first time when I went trekking, high altitude trekking, I did spend quite a lot of money, and the quality is good. I mean, it's worth the investment. And then I did get few stuff last year from Decathlon Bangalore because I was planning to go to Kashmir Great Lakes trek. That didn't happen, but the stuff, I still have that stuff, so I can definitely use that stuff for my next trip. And I got some more stuff that I will show you. Let me start with shoes. And I'm sorry, this is my wardrobe that is you just have to put doors. It's almost done. It had leakage, like I said, so it's coming up nicely. So I'm sorry for the mess. There is nothing I can do right now. It's gonna take so we have to put doors, and some furniture work is pending, and then painting needs to be done, and then corporate has to clean the home. The entire home needs to be cleaned and prepped for festivals, Dasera festivals and Diwali festivals. So I am busy with work, and it is very annoying. I'm going through a very stressful time. It's very noisy. There are meetings, there is work, and guess what? Yesterday I found out my office laptop won't boot. Hell broke loose, and I was hoping to finish some work. I could not do that, but it's okay. I thought at least I will finish some YouTube work for you guys. So yeah, so I'm hoping to finish all the work before the festival starts, and by then, after that, I will definitely clean and have the home organized, so you won't see a shabby home. Once again, I'm sorry if you see any items just lying around. Yeah, so first I bought workout shoes. These are cardio shoes, and I got these were originally for 2,599, and I got, hopefully you can see, and I got these for 500. You can't go wrong. Cardio shoes, so I work out at home. I plan to, they have a good amount of sale going on shoes are very expensive. Good quality shoes are very expensive, and I do go for hikes, day treks, and I go for long walks. If you've seen my Alibag video, I go for long walks as well. I'm going to get walking shoes as well. I will get it next month. And then they have shoes on, they have sale going on hiking shoes as well. It's very hot. Sorry, I'm very anxious and jittery today because I had quite a day yesterday. So yeah, once again, hiking shoes, no sorry, these are cardio shoes that I got for 500 bucks. And then I got some clothing actually. So this is a breathable shirt because it's got holes. So, and it's nice wine color actually. This was not on discount. I got full price at 2,000 rupees, and it's merino wool. I'm not sure if you can see, but hopefully it will look good on me. And I like this color, wine color. Actually last year as well I was trying to get some outfit, a dress, or maybe a top or a jacket in this color. I didn't get, but I like the colors, that's why I picked it up. Now this is breathable, so if you sweat, it's not you won't feel hot in it, and you won't feel cold in it. It will like adjust to the temperature. And it is very important because the first time I didn't buy t-shirts. I thought I will just use the workout t-shirts that I have, and I could not breathe, and it just your breathing becomes heavy especially when you're climbing at higher altitude. So this time I don't want to be stingy, so I have another one, blue color, in the same pattern, blue color. and I will show you that in the next video when I do updated packing for mountains. So just 5 minutes I'm talking on one t-shirt, so just real quick. So this was not on discount, and this let me just, this was also for 3,000, and I got this fleece for, guess what, 500 bucks, and it has hood as well, and it's nice color, and it fits. I like bright colors, especially on videos and photos, you know, bright colors, they look nice. So I'm not sure, hopefully you can see. So this is nice, this is good one, I like this. So this is new, so another one. And then I got some workout t-shirts. I got this one for 300. It was originally for 900, size small, so I plan to work out at home. And I got another one, also a workout, like a Zumba t-shirt. It has like mesh in the back and nice polka dot. It's not dots, but looks like polka dot, like a stars. And this is nice to wear when you work out at home. Nice, it has nice elastic band as well. It's like a Zumba t-shirt. So this also I got on discount for 300 rupees. You can't go bad, because like I said, Decathlon stuff is very expensive, and it's very expensive, and I want to invest bit by bit. You can't spend a lot of money at one time. So like I said, do go and check out. Then for this trip I got socks. I don't like cold feet, and so I got socks. They always have updated clothing, you know, for trekking. So I've got, these are full length. I think they are till calf. So I got these, and they will be very, you can't have enough socks when you're trekking, because it rains and your socks get wet and you can't walk in those. So you have to, if you're going for a week, you need to at least have 4 to 5 pairs, and if it rains, you always have option of changing your socks. Then I also got gloves, because I didn't get this. This was these were for 900. I got this for, these were for 1,000. I got for 600. And these gloves, yeah, I got these gloves for how much? For another 600. These were also for 1,000, and they fit me, and they're touch screen friendly. Look, touch screen friendly. Like this. And that's all I got from Decathlon. There's some random stuff I got. Got some mask. I got this from Alibag. Some mask. You can't have enough mask these days. Necessity. Okay. And I want to show some makeup that I got, because the lipstick gets off on the mask and it's annoying. So I got some liquid lipstick. This is Maybelline. I'll link all the items in the description box. So this is Maybelline Artist color. Nice mauvey pinky color. This I got free when I bought L'Oreal. This is more like a dark pink. This is not matte, it's very clean, so I won't wear this if I'm wearing mask. And this is also matte. One second, I'm sorry. This is also a matte liquid lipstick. This is like one that I'm wearing now. So this is more like a reddish brown kind of shade. So yeah, because now you have to buy mask friendly makeup. And yeah, this I wore in Alibag vlog. So it stayed. Did not get on. It got a little bit on my mask. What else I got? I got 2 tops actually from Zara. I got this nice top, dressy top. And it's wrinkly, but I need to, once my wardrobe is done, and I will arrange everything. Like I said, it's got a lot of work to do. This was nice frill. I can wear this at work as well. And I got enough light to see now. And then I got this sweet top, which has nice mesh detailing at the neck, and yeah, it's nice and light. I plan to wear this tomorrow. Probably we'll go to the beach or somewhere, so I'll wear this cute shirt. And I also got a Fossil watch. for myself, a gift, a birthday gift from me to me. All this is a birthday gift from me to me. I'm love bombing myself. So this is the watch, nice cream color, and it has like leather belt, and it fits my hand because my wrist is very small. So I'll wear this. I got this for 40% off. It was 9,000 something, and I got this for 4,000. So yeah, I like this. अपना time आएगा, खुरपट का time आएगा. Time is very difficult right now for me. So that's all. I got good bargain on the watch, and I got good bargain from Decathlon as well. So like I said, if you plan to trek, or if you do trek often, or if you hike often, or are into even if you are not trekking, you can buy some sporting goods or shoes or something, or get a good deal from Decathlon, and they are really good quality. So do go and check it out, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.